What's up, familia? Welcome inside the Big Rig. Hope you guys are doing good. Keeping between the lines. Got your load secure. Just kind of want to show you guys truckers that come to the rest stop and basically, man, where they spend their time for the 10 hours, right? See how they're all jam-packed up in here? Once you run out of hours, you gotta take your 10 hours off. I let them just go to rest stops like this. I'll just let that truck go, but it's early in the morning right now. It's 3:45 in the morning. Some of them are gearing up to hit the road again. Yeah, so there you go. Just a nice little look-see, man, on how some drivers spend the night. You know, so with that, I'll leave you guys with that one, man. As always, live your life like you're on the road. Be aware of your surroundings and always keep a safe distance. Blood makes you live, but loyalty makes you family. Until next time, this is the Total Trucker.